So now it's time to put on the new backing plate, and it's got lots of different screw hole patterns on here. There's enough for 3 different patterns. See here, there's one there, and then one on the left and the right and the left are different sizes. See, they're different widths. So one way or another, whatever size box you have should work. I'm going to kind of put it up in the one I think, okay, and just slide it over like that. That was the one. Now I can make sure that it's tight in place and tighten up these little screws. And fortunately for me, these screws are good. Sometimes if the head's too small, it might go right through. You might think, oh, I got to put a different screw in there or something. You only want to make these snug. Okay. That looks, wow, that's pretty close to being off. But it's, let's see here. Let's see if I can't twist that a little bit more. Okay, there. These screws are barely big enough. Okay. Just make them snug. Alright, there. Looks good. Now I'm going to take my new one. There's 3 prongs on here. I'm going to line that up with the 3 prongs on here. Push it in tight. And then I'm just going to look. Here's a yellow tag on the side. I don't really need that anymore. It says something on there. You don't have to have that on there. But I got the date on there. And as people are walking up the stairs, I think I want to put the date maybe facing that direction. Let's say, let's just see. Make sure you got it fit up there, tight. That's looking good. There. I guess, see, there's a date there and there's a date over there. I guess it's just going to have to be, turn it to the right.
Push test button.
And see, it went a little bit. Now I'm going to tighten it up all the way. There. It told me to push the test button. I'm not going to push the test button just yet. Okay? I'm going to go back down because I have the power off, remember? Feel on there, make sure you got it pushed up there, because sometimes you can think you've got it and on the other side you've got a little slop, and it's like, hey, I thought I got it in there just right, maybe the red light didn't go on or it didn't chirp properly. That's because you probably didn't get it pushed up all the way and twisted properly. Okay, just be careful with it. Okay, before I press that test button, I'm going to go turn the breaker back on. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.